quick getaway to smoke a cigar in a local coffee shop here in Cavite. This is La Mission L'Atelier. Let's get to it. This Nicaraguan Puro was ranked 4 by Cigar Aficionado in year 2022. It's a very creamy and flavorful cigar. Pepper, lots of it, and spices. Sweet spices, cinnamon, butter. Yeah, let's enjoy the cigar. By the way, I'm in Local Brew right now. This is like ang kaisa-isang coffee shop na nakakapag-smoke ako, nakakapag-relax ako. Kahit sa mga Manileño na kaibigan ko, I always tell them, it's like 10 minutes drive after exit ng Cavitex. So kung papunta ka Cavite, mag-expressway ka, paglabas mo ng Cavitex, 10 minutes lang nandito ka na. It's a good change of environment, relaxing place where you can enjoy your cigars. I'm blessed na merong malapit na ganito kasi sa buong Cavite talaga naghahanap ako ng mga place to smoke. Coffee shop dahil mahilig din ako sa coffee. But well, Local Brew lang talaga yung top of the list. Okay, let me enjoy the cigar and I'll tell you a story of the journey of L'Atelier. Smoking a cigar, relaxing in a beautiful music, peaceful environment. Yun yung gusto natin eh. Yung nicotine talaga ng pure organic tobacco na in-age or inalagaan for a specific flavor or effect, right? Hindi mo siya makukuha sa iba. This is a different kind of high. Right? Sa mga nagtatanong, may nicotine ba yan? Kasi organic yan? Of course. If you know, yung Latin name ng tobacco is Nicotina. Hindi ko na alam. Basta alam ko Nicotina. So, it's in the name already. Kasama talaga ng tobacco ang nicotine. But, at least, wala dito yung mga chemicals na pampabango, pampalasa, pampatamis. Wala dito yung mga acetone na matatagpuan sa sigarilyo. So it's actually, it's not healthy, but it's not the worst. It's not as bad as other bisyo. It's a lifestyle. Hindi siya bisyo eh. Cigar is a lifestyle. Cigar is how you enjoy your achievements, how you handle your trials and errors, your downtimes. Cigar is a great company in all walks of life. Kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo. Especially this cigar. The ash has fallen. Especially this with La Mission L'Atelier. It's a great cigar to accompany you sa kung ano man dahilan kung bakit ka magsisigar. Yeah. So I've reached the point kung saan kailangan ko nang tanggalin yung label, so I will. And because I'm a cigar smoker, not a cigar aficionado, not yet. But because I'm a cigar smoker, oh shit. You know, and because I'm a cigar smoker, I don't throw the band away. I collect them because, you know, I don't know, it's like a trophy. Makes me feel good na merong natagdag sa collection, bagong cigar band. Yeah, put it there. For the taste though, it turned into a very, what we can say, aggressive cigar. Full of spices, roasted nuts, The pepper is blazing. Still, it's very balanced. Tapos etong pangalawang part, sobrang ano niya na, hindi na siya sweet eh. Spicy na talaga siya, literal. Parang ano, gives the vibe na, alam mo yung music player na ano, lalagyan mo lang ng CD malaki tapos igaganon mo. Ikot siya. It lives up to its hype, this cigar. After all, it is rated 96 by Cigar Aficionados. So, it's a very good cigar. I understand why it's rated 96 and ranked 4 in year 2020. It's a very great cigar considering its price, because it's one of the cheapest cigars I have in El Katipan menu. So, yeah. Given the price that you will pay for it to experience and smoke a rated 96 cigar, a top 4 cigar, this is really a very, very worth it cigar to experience. So maybe, gusto mo lang magpahinga after a long, tiring weekend. Or maybe gusto mong i-celebrate yung achievement mo. Or maybe you just want to relax. Or bored, happy or sad, kahit ano pa yan, maybe what you just need is a cigar and a coffee or whiskey and relax. This is El Katipan Cigar Review, La Mission L'Atelier by Tatuaje. It's a pleasure to show you guys my reaction to this. So kita-kits ulit tayo sa susunod na cigar review video.